A lot of clients come in, even some of mine come in and ask, they're afraid of UV lamp because they thinking that's, let's just say it causes cancer and all that. So what is your answer to that?
Well, I think it's ridiculous. There's a lot of myths out there saying that UV lamps are dangerous, but they've been examined in several different scientific studies. And they found that the UV lamps, actually LEDs and the traditional fluorescent style, they're all safe. And they're not accidentally safe, they're safe by design. These lamps are designed to be safe. There's been several studies that show that it's impossible to exceed safe limits with normal use of these lights. So your clients are never going to be overexposed to them, and neither is the nail technician. Unfortunately, the Food and Drug Administration has come out and made a statement about this just recently, which you can find if you Google FDA and nail lamps. And they say that these nail lamps are safe. They've gotten no reports of cancer or burns from them. In fact, they say these lamps are safe if you use them 36 minutes every day. So obviously these nail lamps are very safe, and the TV doctors that are spreading the misinformation about them are really harming our industry and helping themselves and not helping you or me or clients at all, because they're spreading misinformation.
So the best way is to explain that to your client about the safety of the UV lamp and the studies that back up that theory, right?
Right.
Yeah.
They're designed to be safe. And the other thing that people don't understand is the back of the hand is the most resistant to UV of the entire part of our body.
Really?
The back of the hand is 4 times more resistant than our face. So our hands are actually adapted to be resistant to UV, and the amount of UV that comes out of these lamps is very, very low, less than the sunlight. In fact, the experts who have tested these lamps say they're safer than natural sunlight.